everyone, welcome back to this video. I'm your host, in this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location is on the attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surrounding. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, with various meal plans and food policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. On more details, check link in description box. If you are facing